Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are gonna go through how to convert your existing VFX to Magio VFX. So for the sake of the tutorial we are gonna do a new visual effects graph, but you can use your own existing graph, of course, because it's the tutorial. And so we have here the basic VFX graph, and let's just create the prefab out of it and then attach it to the object so we can see if it works. So it doesn't do anything yet, of course, because we haven't done to converting. So let's go to graphs and then let's pick this skinned mesh graph, and I'm gonna take every property here, hit Ctrl+C to copy, and then just go to our graph again, which is here, and then hit Ctrl+V, and let's add a skinned mesh positioning here. It can also be the mesh positioning or the mutable renderer positioning, which means that you can use either mesh or skinned mesh, but we only want to do the skinned mesh positioning in this tutorial. And let's attach the variables with the same names to the right places here. Right, so this is the basic setup, but usually it's good to also attach these multipliers to simulate the fade out, and also VFX multiplier holds object size, so it will generate more particles if the object is bigger. And also let's attach the wind. Okay, so this is the basic setup. Alright. You need also to do the bounds here, so your system will know where to simulate the thing. So you can either do this, which is a little bit bad practice, or you can position the bounds, do the transform. So I usually do this for the bounds, so the VFX multiplier holds the how big it is. So let's multiply it by 10 maybe, and then just put it to the size there and save it and have a look. There it is. Way too much particles, but you can see the effect. Right. So you can imagine this was your effect, and now you can just begin to use your effect like any effect in Magio. Thank you for watching, and have fun.